Hi, my name is Molly Fini. I'm an integrative health practitioner, and I want to talk to you about the BioImmune assessment. This test is done by measuring the meridian pathways in your body. So you've heard of chi, so it's like, the energy or the electrical energy that's going through all of the pathways in your body, through your organs, your tissues, your systems. So I measure your hands, the meridians on your hands and on your feet. And the feet represent more organs, and the hands represent tissues and systems like the endocrine system, lymphatic system, the digestive system, and the nervous system. And what I'm trying to find out is where your body's out of balance. Are you in balance or are you out of balance? And there's always a reason why you're out of balance. And a lot of times people can be out of balance in many organs, tissues, or systems, but it might be just one or two things that might correct everything, because everything is connected. So what my goal is to find out why you don't feel good, or even if you feel fine, what could be kind of brewing in your body that might manifest into some type of a symptom or a chronic disease, or even, inflammation in your body. So I want to find out, why do you have an imbalance? Where is the imbalance, and what might it be? Could it be parasites? It might be a virus, it might be a fungus, it could just be you need system support. So my whole goal is to find out if you're out of balance, why are you out of balance, and what can we do to correct that? And so it's a great idea to get this test, because I can find things that are way earlier than if you can get conventional testing, because everything is on kind of like a timeline, and things start happening in our body on an energetic or emotional level before it gets to the cellular level, where conventional medicine can identify what's going on with you. So I can find things before that phase of going to the doctor and getting blood work and getting other kinds of tests to indicate what's going on with you. So in a nutshell, the BioImmune assessment is able to identify what's going on in your body that's causing any imbalances, or can create you to be sick or cause symptoms that's sometimes unbearable. But the great thing is that we can find whatever is causing any imbalances in your body.